Today is a new day here at Six Flags Great America in Gurnee, Illinois. As you can tell by those clouds over there, yeah, they look really concerning. However, though, instead of entering from the park, I'm actually going to stop by Hurricane Harbor for the first and possibly only time ever. So, I guess I might as well spare the moment. Now, as much as I enjoy going to Six Flags Great America, I've never been inside of Hurricane Harbor because, let's face it, I'm not a water park guy. I'm a dry park guy. But I gotta say, from the looks of Hurricane Harbor, I gotta say, I am very impressed so far. I mean, the rides look pretty good. The trees, the flowers, I guess, are good, I don't know. The lazy river looks relaxing as usual. Man, I miss those good old days where I loved the lazy river. Because, well, I don't think you need to know because it's my personal life. And, yeah. Anyways, here's some Coca-Cola advertisements. What did you expect? Here's a tornado. That's a big boy. Usually from the parking lot, it doesn't look that big. But that thing's a monster up close. It's a big boy. Also, yeah, I can see the highway sign from here. That's cool, I guess. Alright, now, whoa, what is this? Surfing? Ooh, cool. Whoa, totally radical, dude. Anyways, we do get a nice view of Viper, one of the main park rides, and we also get a surprise statue of Lola Bunny. Surprisingly, she's not in the actual theme park itself. She's only an exclusive to Hurricane Harbor. Okay, I'm gonna check in this gift shop real quick. Again, I've never been here before, and I've never been inside this gift shop before. So, yeah, my expectations are very low. And I gotta say, it does have some decent stuff. I mean, yeah, it's just a bunch of towels and flip-flops and sunglasses and goggles, just your typical swimming stuff. Yeah, well, it looks nice though, I gotta say, it looks nice, except it's, I don't know, really. Let me explore the rest of Hurricane Harbor. And from these buildings here, and the Pink Flamingo Cafe, and those water slides over there, I gotta say, I love this theming. It feels like I'm in paradise, honestly. And right over there is the main star. And yes, we do get a really good view of the actual theme park right next door. And really big looking water slides. Man, those things are huge. Well, we also get the bigger boy itself, Skull Island. Also, looks like Jaws is right there too. How did Jaws get there? I don't know. Anyways, Skull Island is right there. And I've always seen those Skull Island on YouTube, but I never know it looked this good in real life. Believe me, it looks amazing in real life. Oh, wait, hold on. Ooh, the Viper's going up. Yeah, from here, you really do get an amazing view of Viper, I gotta say. Even from the ride itself, you also get a good view of somewhat of Hurricane Harbor. That's what I love. Honestly. Yeah. Unfortunately, Skull Island is closed, so we can't see the water tip bucket. But I love the sign. Yeah. I really love the theming. Also, once again, I found the highway sign again. Wow. Very visible. No wonder why I can see the highway sign and Hurricane Harbor a little bit from the highway. Interesting. Alright, so with that out of the way, folks, it is time to leave Hurricane Harbor. And this may be my last time going here for a while. Because now, it's the Great America theme park's turn. And looks like we're gonna have a fun and busy day. Why so busy? Fireworks. Wow. it is a fireworks show today. Wow. Okay. So that's cool. 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 Anyways, as per usual, they have these amazing Looney Tunes statues, just like the one we saw at Hurricane Harbor, only except they're an exclusive to this park, not Hurricane Harbor. Also, as you may absorb, Fright Fest is upon us. I'm not even kidding. Fright Fest is literally on its way in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, so yeah, looking good. And what else is looking good? Sylvester! Oh my god! Sylvester! How you doing? Right, high five, bro. Yes. Wait. Look, I found delicious food for us. What do you think? Should we head inside? Oh wait, Daffy and Foghorn are zenning out already. I'll be right with you, Sylvester. I'll be right back. Yeah. The sad part is, I just got here. Going as fast as I can. Whew. All right. See you, Foghorn. See you, Daffy. Even though I just got here. I just got here and those two are already leaving. Oh, I'll get them. Hopefully they'll come back. But Sylvester's there. Nice. Also, is it just me? Or it's Fright Fest literally coming right now? I mean, look at the stage. Fright Fest stage. Ooh. It's upon us now. Okay, something weird just happened. The music just stopped all of a sudden. What's going on here?
Excuse me, sir.
Something's going on.
I'm up.
Huh? What? Did they just switch the music genre? I don't get it. What just happened? This is getting nuts. Hey, guess who came to play? Oh, baby, yes. After I just came in the park, I missed them. Now, I get to make it up. Oh, yeah. Look who we have here. All right, hello, Foghorn Leghorn. How you doing? Nice. Daffy, my man, how you doing? Yeah. Man, I miss Daffy. I missed him. Oh. Follow the king of Six Flags. There's Foghorn. Oh, I get it. All the Looney Tunes are going where Sylvester is right now. I get it now. I get it now.
Hey, Daffy, can I come in?
Yeah, in that sweet shop. Don't get too hungry, though. Oh, excuse me. Yo, Sylvester, you got company. Hey, now. Wow. Hey, that's some photo right there. Nice. Looks like the first three characters of today have all came back. All right. Wow, since Daffy and Foghorn came out, that means Sylvester is out. All right, see you, Sylvester. Yeah. Oh. Oh, damn. So, I also heard that the Looney Tunes are going to the Columbia Carousel on like around 5:20-ish. So, we'll be back. right. See you later, Sylvester.
Oh.
Meanwhile, Daffy and Farcorn are there. I gotta take advantage. Huh. I'm just now noticing Farcorn and Daffy are both out. Guess I'll have to be on my way to home. Oh, no. Carousel Plaza. Hang on. Whew. Unless if someone's on its way in there. But for now... Alright, see you, Daffy. See you, Farcorn. I'm not sure who's coming next. I hope it's Bugs Bunny, I swear, man. It better be Bugs. But I heard they're going on front of Carousel Plaza, so guess I'll meet them there, I guess. Cool. After that fun hangout, I decided to walk around the entire park and discovered more Fright Fest decorations. Man, Fright Fest is coming early this year. Then I went back to Columbia Carousel to actually ride the freaking carousel. And I basically walked around the park again. And another thing I noticed from one of the guests, they had a Bugs Bunny plushie. And that really had me convincing on actually buying or winning one. So the search begins on finding the Bugs Bunny plush that specific guest had. I looked inside the Looney Tunes store inside of Southwest Territory. No luck at all. Yeah, believe it or not, my favorite store brought me no luck. And then, wait, Scooby-Doo? Back at Six Flags Great America? Interesting. You know what else is interesting? They're showing one of Bugs Bunny's earlier cartoons. That is interesting. And oh baby, here we go. So not only I found a place where that specific guest had that Bugs Bunny plushie, which is right over there, but I've also found out they got Sylvester, Tweety, and Marvin the Martian. And another game had Daffy Duck. I'd imagine that one came from an earlier stage of Great America, so yeah. And a few hours later, they're all mine, except for Tweety, but the rest are mine. As I continued to walk around the park, I noticed the Camp in Camp cartoon was removed. This can either mean two things. A, Halloween makeover. B, finally retheming it. Wow, look who's come back. Sylvester, he back. I think we're gonna need it back here. Oh yeah, baby. Wow. Yeah, hello Sylvester. I'm back. This time with friends. Check it out. I think I'll need it back here with you in it too. Yep. Check it out. Oh. Oh, he's confused by the tag.
Hey Sylvester, I think you stole your nose, bud.
Oh.
Hey Si, we got in the line, but do you want to give your friend one last goodbye high five?
There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, come here. See ya. Let me get a bag for a bit. I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a bag. Whoa, look who's returned. Farcorn, Leghorn, Daffy, Doug. How you doing? Hey, Daffy, come here. I have something to show you.
Sorry, I have to head over there right now.
Huh. So I just found out those three are going to be the only characters appearing today.
fascinating. And what's funny, I have something special for Daffy. Okay, so Sylvester just head on in. And, well, let's just say Daffy and Foghorn Leghorn has returned. Yo, Daffy, guess who it is? Yep. Oh yeah, Foghorn. Sadly, this place doesn't sell merch of you, or as much. Daffy, however, you versus you. Yeah. No worries, Foghorn. I'll try to convince them soon. No worries. You got company.
You know, after all the stuff I've been through today, I think it's time to get something to eat. I think I'm gonna go right over... Oh, wait. I'm gonna go to County Fair's food court, because why the heck not? So, I had a chili cheese dog, which was pretty good, by the way. And after that, I pretty much stayed in Hometown Square for the rest of the night. The reason? Not only because I wanted to see Sylvester, Foghorn, and Daffy again, but the fireworks show. Yeah, some of you may have forgotten about it, but yes, there's a fireworks show coming tonight. And I'll be there, for sure.
Yeah, Sylvester! Ah, I knew it! They're back! And 8 p.m. at night! Wow, I knew... Wait a minute, where are they going? Wow. Are they going where near the light? Or are they going where I think they're going? Oh no, they're going to see the Grand Music Hall. Ah. What up? We meet again. I knew it. Nice. So, with Foghorn and Daffy now out, that means Sylvester is leaving. This may be the last time I'll be seeing Sylvester during the normal season before Fright Fest takes over. Alright, Sylvester, until we meet again. Yeah, there you go.
Come back this
high five, bro.
The scariest event of the season.
Boom, there you go.
Fright Fest, presented by Snickers. With more
and I'll keep an eye on your mini version.
It's fun by day with trick-or-treating, but when the sun goes down...
And surprisingly, Daffy and Foghorn are still out. And I'm pretty sure they're going to be out during the fireworks show, too. So... this is gonna be great. No flippin' way. So Sylvester is gonna catch the fireworks show. I don't believe it. Wow. Hello, Sylvester. What'd I tell you? We're back. Looks like we're seeing the fireworks. Nice. I actually don't believe this. Sylvester is out, and the fireworks is actually going to begin in just a few moments. Wow. That's kind of cool. I'm actually going to be honest. Now, I'm going to call these the 3 Lunateers are back. Again. Yes. Guess I was wrong about Sylvester seeing the fireworks show. Guess I was wrong. Alright, see you, Sylvester! Guess I was wrong. Alrighty. See you, Sylvester! Yeah! Ooh. One more. Cool. No worries, I took it. Don't you worry. What the heck's going on? The music turned up. It's like the 4th time this happened. Okay. This is getting a little bit weird. How come they keep switching the music genre? I mean, this is like literally the 4th time they... Oh, no wonder. No wonder.
I'm gonna warn you, this is gonna cause a lot of flashing lights. You may want to cover your eyes on this or turn down your brightness. Big time. So after I met all the Looney Tunes, or at least Foghorn, Daffy, and Sylvester, the fireworks has begun. And my God, I've missed the 4th of July fireworks in my area, but this was worth it though.
Hey! Beautiful! Absolutely beautiful! Wow! Woo! That's how you do it!
And so with that, this is going to conclude the 2022 summer season of Six Flags Great America. Even though I went here pretty less than usual, I still had a really good time during the summer season. Now wait till the fall season, cause Fright Fest, oh Fright Fest, is gonna make things even spicier. So make sure you comment, like, and please subscribe to see more Six Flags vlogs and my other content.